Hello everyone! Welcome to Draw Faves channel. Today we want to draw 6 dinosaurs and introduce them. Let's go draw together.
A long time ago, before people, cars, or even houses existed, the Earth was home to amazing animals called dinosaurs. One of the most famous dinosaurs of all was Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex for short. T-Rex was very big and very tall as a school bus. It had a huge head with big, sharp teeth, like lots of bananas. Strong legs for walking and running. Tiny arms that looked small, but were still strong. A long tail to help it balance. What did T-Rex eat? T-Rex was a meat eater, which means it ate other animals. With its strong jaws and sharp teeth, it could chomp and chew its food easily. Crunch. Even though it was very big, T-Rex could walk fast on its 2 powerful legs. Its tail helped it stay balanced, just like when you stretch out your arms while running. T-Rex might look scary, but remember, dinosaurs lived millions of years ago, and they are all gone now. Today, we learn about them from fossils, which are like dinosaur bones turned into stone. Tyrannosaurus rex means king of the tyrant lizards. T-Rex could roar very loudly. It is one of the most famous dinosaurs in the world. Roar. T-Rex was a mighty dinosaur, and learning about it helps us imagine the exciting world of long ago. Do you have a favorite dinosaur too?
Now let's color the picture to make it vivid.
Meet Spinosaurus, the sailback dinosaur. A very long time ago, when dinosaurs walked on Earth, there lived a dinosaur called Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus was one of the biggest dinosaurs ever, even bigger than T-Rex. What did Spinosaurus look like? Spinosaurus looked very special and different from other dinosaurs. It had a long body and strong legs. A long snout, like a crocodile. Sharp teeth for catching food. A huge sail on its back that looked like a fan or a rainbow. Scientists think the sail helped Spinosaurus stay cool or show off to other dinosaurs. What did Spinosaurus eat? Spinosaurus loved to eat fish. It used its long mouth to snap fish out of the water, just like a crocodile. It might also have eaten other small animals. Where did Spinosaurus live? Spinosaurus liked to live near rivers and water. It could walk on land, swim in water. That makes Spinosaurus a great swimmer dinosaur. Spinosaurus could walk on 2 legs and sometimes use its arms. Its strong tail helped it swim and balance in the water. Is Spinosaurus around today? No. Spinosaurus lived millions of years ago and is now extinct. We learn about it by finding fossils, which are dinosaur bones turned into stone. Spinosaurus means spine lizard. It is one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs. It loved water more than most dinosaurs. Spinosaurus was a big, splashy, sailback dinosaur. Isn't it fun to imagine a dinosaur swimming in a river? What dinosaur would you like to learn about next? Triceratops the three-horned dinosaur? A long, long time ago, when dinosaurs walked all over the earth, there lived a dinosaur named Triceratops. Triceratops was friendly-looking and very strong, and it is one of the most famous dinosaurs. What did Triceratops look like? Triceratops was big and heavy, about as big as a truck. It had 3 horns on its face, 2 long ones and 1 small one. A big bony frill on the back of its head, like a shield. A short tail and strong legs. A beak-like mouth, kind of like a parrot. What did Triceratops eat? Triceratops was a plant eater, which means it ate leaves, plants, and bushes. It used its sharp beak to snip plants and chew them up. Chomp, chomp. Triceratops walked on 4 strong legs, just like a big rhinoceros. It could walk slowly and steadily as it looked for yummy plants to eat. What were the horns for? Triceratops used its horns and frill to protect itself from other dinosaurs. Scare away enemies. Sometimes show off to other Triceratops. Is Triceratops around today? No. Triceratops lived millions of years ago and is now extinct. We know about it because scientists find fossils, which are dinosaur bones turned into stone. Fun Triceratops facts. Triceratops means three-horned face. It lived at the same time as T-Rex. Even though it looked tough, it only ate plants. Triceratops was a strong, three-horned plant eater. Can you count to 3 like Triceratops' horns? A very, very long time ago, when dinosaurs roamed the earth, there lived a dinosaur called Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus looked funny and amazing, and it is one of the easiest dinosaurs to recognize. What did Stegosaurus look like? Stegosaurus had a small head but a big body. It had big plates standing up along its back, like colorful signs. A long tail with sharp spikes at the end, called a thagomizer. Short front legs and taller back legs. A round, strong body. The plates may have helped Stegosaurus stay cool or show off to other dinosaurs. What did Stegosaurus eat? Stegosaurus was a plant eater. It munched on leaves, ferns, low bushes. Because its head was low to the ground, it liked to eat short plants. Munch, munch. How did Stegosaurus move? Stegosaurus walked on 4 legs. It moved slowly and carefully, swinging its tail to stay safe. How did Stegosaurus protect itself? Stegosaurus was gentle, but it could protect itself by swinging its spiky tail if danger came close. Using its plates and size to look big and scary. Is Stegosaurus around today? No. Stegosaurus lived millions of years ago and is now extinct. We learn about it from fossils, which are dinosaur bones turned into stone. Fun Stegosaurus facts. Stegosaurus means roof lizard. Its tail spikes were very strong. Even with a small head, it was a smart survivor. Stegosaurus was a slow, spiky, plate-back dinosaur. Can you pretend to have plates on your back and walk like a Stegosaurus? Meet Diplodocus, the long and gentle dinosaur. A very long time ago, before people were around, there lived a dinosaur called Diplodocus. Diplodocus was one of the longest dinosaurs ever to walk on Earth. What did Diplodocus look like? Diplodocus had a very long body. It had a long neck to reach food. It had a long tail that looked like a giant whip. Its head was small, and its body was big. It walked on 4 strong legs. Diplodocus was as long as 2 school buses put together. What did Diplodocus eat? Diplodocus was a plant eater. It liked to eat leaves from trees and plants. With its long neck, it could reach high branches and also eat plants close to the ground. Chomp, chomp. Leaf time. How did Diplodocus move? Diplodocus walked slowly and calmly on 4 legs. Its long tail helped it keep balance. It may have used its tail to swish at bugs or scare other animals away. Was Diplodocus scary? Diplodocus was a gentle dinosaur. It did not eat meat. If it felt scared, it could use its size or swing its long tail to stay safe. Is Diplodocus still alive today? No. Diplodocus lived millions of years ago. It is extinct, which means it is all gone. We learn about Diplodocus by finding fossils. Fossils are dinosaur bones that turned into stone. Fun facts about Diplodocus. The name Diplodocus means double-beam lizard. It had many teeth, but they were small. Diplodocus was friendly and peaceful. Diplodocus was a long, gentle, plant-eating dinosaur. Can you stretch your arms wide and pretend you are as long as Diplodocus? Ankylosaurus, the armored dinosaur. A very long time ago, when dinosaurs walked all over the earth, there lived a dinosaur called Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus was one of the best protected dinosaurs ever. What did Ankylosaurus look like? Ankylosaurus had a wide, low body. It was covered in hard armor, like a suit of rocks. It had bony plates all over its back. Its head was small and strong. It walked on 4 short, sturdy legs. At the end of its tail was a big, hard club. What did Ankylosaurus eat? Ankylosaurus was a plant eater. It liked to eat low plants, leaves, and bushes. It used its strong mouth to chew tough plants. Munch, munch. Crunchy plants. How did Ankylosaurus move? Ankylosaurus walked slowly on 4 legs. It stayed close to the ground. Its heavy armor helped protect it as it moved. How did Ankylosaurus protect itself? Ankylosaurus was like a living tank. If danger came close, it could swing its tail club. The tail club was very strong and could scare predators away. Its armor made it hard to bite. Is Ankylosaurus still alive today? No. Ankylosaurus lived millions of years ago. It is extinct, which means it is all gone. We learn about Ankylosaurus by finding fossils. Fossils are dinosaur bones that turned into stone. Fun facts about Ankylosaurus. The name Ankylosaurus means fused lizard. It is one of the most armored dinosaurs. Even though it looked tough, it was calm and gentle. Ankylosaurus was a strong, armored, plant-eating dinosaur. Can you pretend to have armor on your back and walk like Ankylosaurus?
like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.